Assalamualaikum class. Hope you are all well and doing great. Today my presentation topic is show that you care. Every day you can be an example of kindness through your actions and words. From giving up your seat to a stranger who needs to sit down to bringing food to a friend or sitting with an ill parent, we have all had our moments of caring. Science tells us that as a species we evolved into more caring human beings. If we had not, we could not have survived. People we hold closest are the ones who matter the most in our life. They are our treasures, our support system. People need love and care from each other more than anything else. These are the most precious and valuable feelings one can have for others. Maybe many people love and care for the people around them so much but fail to show. This is where you need to change yourself. Having this feeling is essential, but more important is to show that you care and love through different methods. This love, care, and appreciation will make others happy and the relationships will become stronger. Showing care. Showing care means gives us sympathy. Sympathy is feeling for someone without specifically understanding what they are feeling. We express our care to the other to let them know or that we care about them. Actions show more than the words. People can say anything, but a person's actions show how they truly feel about you. Actions express priority. Only those who care about you can hear you when you are quiet. People need love and care from each other than anything else. These are the most precious and valuable feelings one can have for others. Ways to show you care. Or you can show someone that you care about them. There are many ways to show someone that you care about them. Spend time with them, buy some gifts, give compliments, listen to them carefully, share their problems, celebrate their success, share their pain, do not judge them, and give them positive and honest feedback. Spend time with them. Time is the most beautiful thing we can give each other in a busy life. People who are valuable and essential for you need your time and care always. You can show these feelings very well by spending time with them in many ways. You can invite them for food, for hanging out, or even for a cup of coffee. It will show that you have felt their absence and want to see them. You can also spend time with them in parks while jogging and talking about different things in a lighter mood. Buy some gifts. Gifts are considered as a token of love. It is the best way to show someone that you care. It is not vital to buy always the expensive gifts. You can purchase anything as a sign of your affection and care for your loved ones. Believe me that even the simplest gift given with pure feelings can bring the most beautiful smile on the face of the receiver. They will realize their importance in your life and will appreciate you for your sincere efforts. Give compliments. Showing care is about to reveal your concern for others and to let them know that they have considerable importance in your life. By giving comments or compliments to them, you can show your care very quickly. Those who love and care for you back will find your compliments valuable. These compliments can give courage and motivation to others. Your small but sincere comments have a very significant impact on showing you care for people. Listen to them. When someone cares to tell you, care enough to listen. People who tell you about their problems and ideas want you to listen to them appropriately. How carefully and attentively you listen others show that how much you care for them. Your sincerity will also revealed by this act and people will feel more inclined to share or discuss their matters with you. Your importance, value and respect for them will increase. Make sure that you are available as a listening ear for people who want to talk with you. Share their problems. In this life, everyone faces different difficulties and unfavorable circumstances. At such times, people need attention and courage from their friends and family. Someone says very accurately that sharing is caring. When you listen and share the problems with others, pass some courage comments or maybe give beneficial advice, it can help others to feel good. They will also get to know that you care about their problems and feelings. It will lead to a healthy and happy relationship. Celebrate their success. Show your loved ones they matter. Acknowledge their hard work. Congratulate them on their success and celebrate with them when they achieve their goals, big or small. Genuinely feel happy that they have made progress towards their vision. Sincerely admiring of their efforts and commending their work will keep their morale high and motivate them to reach for their higher goals. Share their pain. When you have your loved ones overwhelmed by suffering or a personal loss, do not ignore or adopt a silence approach. Talk to them, comfort them, encourage them to share their pain with you, and let them know you are there with them in their emotional crisis. Your comforting attitude will have a calming effect, help them come to terms with life, listen their grief, and assist in the healing process. Anything is possible when you have the right people there to support you. Do not judge them. No one is perfect. Everyone has flaws, faults, or errors, sometimes or the other. So avoid judging and criticizing them. Practice patience and tolerance. Accept them the way they are. On your part, see how you can help them improve and add value to their life. Look beyond their mistakes, appreciate their positives, raise their self esteem, and make them feel good about themselves. This will give go a long way in strengthening the bond and win over their confidence. Judging somebody and looking down at them reveals more about your character than theirs. Breaking down a relationship is making a relation is easy. Breaking a relation is also easy. But to maintain a relation will need devotion, love, and trust. Give them positive and honest feedback. You would be unfair to your loved ones if you only show them their positive side. To show you sincerely care and want to help them better themselves, you need to show them their blind spots. But don't bluntly pick up their flaws or make fun of their shortcomings. Gently point out their mistakes and weaknesses and make suggestions to overcome them. A few words from your side can prove to be valuable for them.